Hi everyone, in this video I'll show you how to install CapCut on your MacBook. First, open your browser, then go to the search bar and type download CapCut. After searching, you'll see several websites in the result. From those results, make sure you open the official CapCut website. Once you are on the official website, look for the download for Mac option and click on it to start the download. Once the downloaded is complete, open the downloaded file. Now you'll see the CapCut installer. Simply click on it and then click open. This will download and install the app on your Mac. Once you start downloading, it may take a little time to complete. It can take around 15 to 20 minutes depending on your internet speed. So just wait for the download to finish. So guys, after the download is complete, CapCut will install automatically and it should appear on your screen. If it doesn't appear on your screen, you can simply go to the application folder on your Mac and open CapCut from there. And that's it. That's how you can install CapCut on a MacBook. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials.